So you want to know what is Amazon KDP? Well, Amazon KDP stands for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. It is a self-publishing platform that is offered by Amazon that allows publishers and allows authors to learn how to sell books on Amazon in a digital format for Kindle and other applications. With KDP, authors can easily upload their cover designs and manuscript and set the book's pricing to sell it on Amazon Kindle store. So your next question may be, how does Amazon KDP work? Well, this is a straightforward process. Authors who wish to learn how to sell on Amazon can follow easy steps to navigate the platform and bring their work to the market. So the first step is preparing your manuscript in the proper format. Once you have your manuscript, you want to go into Amazon KDP and select what type of book you want to upload. So they have ebooks, they have paperback, they have hardcover, etc. You're gonna follow the upload instructions, by filing essential book details as a good book title, the description, the categories, the author name, on the keywords. You also want to make sure you put in some keywords so that it can reach the proper audience. Maybe the first one. So the second tab is going to be where you actually upload your file, and you're going to double check your work before you actually post it and price it. Your next question might be, can anyone self-publish on KDP? Well, yes, anyone can. Amazon actually welcomes all levels of creators. So if you just want to do it for a hobby, if you just want to have it, just do it for experience, or if you just love creating stuff, Amazon is going to welcome you with open arms. And the most fun part about it is that if you really enjoy creating things, creating books, and being a creative writer, you're going to be able to show that to the world. And who knows, like I was saying, and not only that, if you can make some income, it's going to be awesome, because you're going to have some passive income, especially if whatever you create is good. You never know. I would give it a try. They have a lot of free software out there that you can use. If you just want to experiment, you don't have to pay for anything. There's so many things out there that you can use for free. You can use Canva, just the free version if you don't want to use the pro. They offer so much on Canva. I highly recommend it. There's other platforms like Creative Fabrica, I believe. I've never used that one, but I use BookBolt, and I really love BookBolt because it's so easy to create books on there. And if you're interested, I'm going to leave a link in the description box so that you can get a coupon code. If you really like it, try it out. They also have a 3-day trial. If you just want to try the 3-day trial, you can probably create something and upload it right away. And hey, who knows? So why would you want to get BookBolt? Well, with BookBolt, you can create and scale a book publishing business without having to write a single word. You can drag and drop covers and interior designs, create unique books in minutes without prior design experience. This software allows you to create low-content books. What are low-content books? Well, they're such as journals, logbooks, diaries, coloring books, and more. BookBolt offers a database where you can find trends and hidden niches with a click of a button. Go check it out for yourself. Start your 3-day free trial and see if you like it. And I think you will love it. You can definitely make money uploading books, and it can become a passive income thing where you can upload a few books and make some money on the side. All you have to do is pretty much just make the book, and then you can just upload it, and later you'll reap the benefits. So hey, I would definitely check it out. If you don't have to spend any money if that's what you worry about, because remember, KDP is free to get an account. You don't have to pay anything. The only thing is creating the book. You can use Canva. Canva is free. If you don't want to use the pro version, you don't really need the pro version, to be honest. I use Canva really to make my thumbnails on YouTube and to edit my videos. But to create actual books, I use BookBolt. So if you're interested in BookBolt, I'm gonna leave the link where you could grab a coupon code. It's 20% off, so it's well worth it. If you do not want to pay, you can still try it out for 3 days You can create something and still upload it to KDP. And who knows, in the future you like it, you can always still grab my coupon code. It will always be available in most of the videos that I talk about KDP. Because not all my videos are about KDP and Canva or BookBolt, but they should always be available to you if you change your mind. So I will be talking to you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and create and make some money.